Hello everybody out there. I am back on YouTube and I'm going to be trying something new. I am going to be doing a tutorial on the summoning jutsu from Naruto. So let's just hop right into it. So the order of the hand signs, there's 5 of them. Boar, dog, bird, monkey, and ram. And so boar, you get your hand, put it like this little sort of, and like this. Then you put him, then this is boar. And then next is dog. So dog, like a fist, and then, so like there's boar, dog. And then the third one is bird. So bird is just, so you put your hands like this, like the Spider-Man thing. So then you put your hands like this, then you like connect them. That one takes a little longer to do, because it takes me a few seconds. I don't know how they do it so quickly. Animations. And then number 4 is monkey. So you take your hand, take your other hand, just like that. So far we have boar, dog, bird, monkey. And finally, the last hand sign is ram. So it's like this, and you put your fingers a little down, or you can do it the other way. So that's the 5 hand signs. So in Japanese, it would be Inu, Tori, Saru, Hitsuchi. Okay, so this time, just to show, I'm going to do it slowly. And then after I'll try doing it, oh yeah, I'm wearing a Naruto shirt. And then I'll try, first I'll try to do it slow, then I'll try to do it fast. Then, yeah. So first, boar, dog, put your hands like this, bird, monkey, ram. One more time, boar, dog, bird, monkey, ram. Okay, now I'm going to try to do it fast. Bust sample. Boar, dog, bird, monkey, ram. Summoning jutsu. Look at Gamabunta. See, I summoned him. I'm just that awesome. Okay, so that is going to conclude my summoning jutsu tutorial video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you watch it. Bye.